We're going on a bike ride.
I'm DJ Purpose.
And I'm DJ Unique, and we are the Fan Mob DJs.
We're the Fan Mob DJs, and we're going on a bike ride.
Yeah, so where are we going?
There's a museum I want to check out. It's called MONCA. It's the Museum of Northern California Art. I think that sounds fun.
Cool, let's do it, but I need coffee first.
Coffee. Let's get coffee.
All right,
okay.
Let's go.
All right.
Hey, hold up. What? Hold up.
Yo, what's up?
Dude, I got a flat.
Shut up. You got a flat? Oh, man.
Yeah, we got to go back.
No, I'll just walk out.
I need coffee, man.
I know. Dude. Yo, you got a pump, man?
Nah, I got a compressor. I'll go get it.
You got a compressor?
Yeah. Now I really need coffee.
So now we're gonna go to the MONCA, which is the Museum of Northern California Art. It's about 5 blocks that way, and I've never been there. I actually just heard about it from Chrissy, who was with us last week. So we're gonna go check that out. You ready?
Yep, let's go.
Unique's gonna run inside, see where we can park our bikes.
She said we can bring them inside. I found my cap.
You got a flat again?
No. Thank you.
That's very nice of you. Do you mind if we film? We have a YouTube channel. We're just doing some footage. Oh, do you mind if we film? Is that okay?
No, that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
This is a one-person exhibition, and it's the work of Dennis Leon, who was a British artist. He was born in London in 1933, died in 1998, and he's the father of the Leon of Leon's, the woman who owns Leon's Bistro and is the chef there.
Okay, so because I am not very sophisticated, I cannot give you any breakdowns on any of this. Okay, so that was our visit to the museum. That was our chill day. Thank you for spending the day with us.
And that was the MONCA, and really cheap, $5 to get in. Or if you want to come here more often, you can get a yearly pass for 30 bucks. It's a membership for 30 bucks. And with that membership, you can bring one guest for free. And then they also have a family membership for $50 where you get 2 cards. And each of those members, each of those cards can bring a guest for free. So in essence, you can bring 4 people, $50 a year to any of their exhibits.
And it sounds like they constantly have different exhibits and things turn over pretty quick. So 30 or even 50 for a family is just, I think, a screaming deal. And they have internet. So say you just needed to escape to a quiet place for, you know, an hour to get some work done. If you had a membership here, it'd be a perfect place. Hey, so what's your favorite museum? Comment below.
So if you like that video, like down below and subscribe to our channel.
We will see you on the next one.
See ya.
See ya.